Hey guys, welcome to my video, and this week I'm going to show you how I did this Parna style. I hope I've been in the video crop this whole time. I think so, but I don't know, but if not I'll record this again. But anyways, yeah, so I got this Parna from the Sardar and Co website. You can go check them out. They do a lot of other dastars and they do them like within the UK. They do ship abroad if you do want to check those out. I think it's just obviously really easy to shop from them. But obviously if you want to do, if they didn't have the colours, there's also secretaccessories.com that do have other colours. But I mean, Sardar & Co is great. They do beard oils, beard brushes, they do t-shirts. Go check those out. They're like bomb. So you got the Core of Hearts and you've got the Sing of Spades, I think. But yeah, those tops are like bomb. Like, I'm in love with mine at the moment. But yeah, go check that out. And if you want a 15% discount on the website, use the KAUR discount code and you can get 15% off. So why not shop there? Duh. The link is also, I'll leave a link below, but also there's a link on my Instagram in my bio. That's also that KAUR. I have loads of things coming out on there. If you want to stay tuned and follow me on there. I'm going to India next month, so yes, I'm excited. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how I did my Parna style. It's the second time I've done it, so apologies, but I am trying my best to do a tutorial. But I mean, if I do improve it, I will do an updated one later on. But this is what I'm working with, but I've done it, so hope you enjoy the video. Right, so I'm gonna start off with doing my bunga. So yeah, so I'm just gonna spin my head down, use a 1 meter by 1 meter kapda, twist as well. I hope I'm still in the frame, can't see. But yeah, so you twist like that, and you twist it, and like that. Right, then use my ganga, and just put it in like that. Right, so now the mirror is like lower than the camera, so hopefully I'm able to dodge and record this. But it's not my normal setup that I've done my tutorials in, so bear with me guys. So okay, I've got a Parna. So this one is from Sardar & Co, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 6 meters long, and what I've done is I've halved it, so now there's like, so it was like double this, so I halved it, so now there's 2 lots of 6 meters. So then I just give the other half to my husband usually, but yeah, this is my half. So I'm gonna do a round style with the Parna this time. Next time I'll change it up and do another style, but for today we're doing round. I'm gonna take this up around, and I'm just gonna put this around my bunga, so that works as my base. Probably do the same with this lar too. Make this as a base, and then now we'll probably start my actual lar itself. I hope I'm loud enough. I don't have my microphone on. I don't know why I didn't put it on when I could have put it on, but I haven't put it on. So anyways, this lar I'm going to take lower. So I'm going to take that quite low down at the moment. You can push it up afterwards, which is not a problem. It's bringing it back down, which is a problem. So you might still go a little bit lower than higher, if that makes sense. Right. So I'm going to keep this very close to the same line. And I'll keep it folded, and like the dagger is coming out because of when I cut it. But yeah, so again, take it over the ear. There we go. So with this one, I'm gonna cover like all this stuff that I don't want showing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take it across. And it's gonna go, I'm gonna pull this up and pull it down to where I want it. And then you can like sort your top part out to what you want. Then I'm just going to tuck that in like that, back down, and continue. Push this down too. And there we go. Bring some height into it. So just like this. And then like my concentration phase, can you see? I'm so concentrated. There we go, and I'm going to take it up, and I'm just going to see where it finishes. I'm just going to tuck it in like that, but like now you have the opportunity to play with the shape of your guldastar, and you can shape it however you want. And because it's a Parna, not the star, so it's a bit more easier to change. But personally, that's what I think, because you can just like push it in one way and it will just go that one way. Like if everything looks okay, and I think I'm semi happy with it. It's fine. I think obviously with a bit more practice it'll probably become perfect, but I think for my second time I did quite well, and I think I may have put together a tutorial to help you guys out. But that is how I do my Parna. Quick and easy. I guess you could go with less meters than 6 to make it easier for you, because you can basically do this with maybe 4, maybe pushing at 5, but I did it with 6. I'm happy with it at the moment. Might reduce it, I don't know, but it's my first time. But anyways, that's what it looks like from the side and the front and the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys learned something. I haven't done a tutorial in so long. I need to start doing some more. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, go check out my other videos, because I've got vlogs and I'll be in India next month. So give me ideas. What do you want me to vlog, or do you want specific things in the vlog, or me to experience something? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm there for a couple of weeks and I cannot wait. I haven't been to India in 2 years and I'm so excited, and I'm going for a longer period of time, and I'm not going for a wedding, which is the main thing. So I have loads to look forward to. So I'm going to try and live the proper Desi life, you know, this time. So going around in jeans, maybe get some suits made, some kurta pajama, rock it, you get me. But anyways, yeah, stay fearless and keep going. Bye!